Welcome to CodeAsStage, your topics, our views. Let's discuss the merge sort, how to implement it in a Python. So first thing, what is merge sort? Merge sort is a sorting algorithm that is based on divide and conquer. It means that it will first divide the list into the two parts from the middle, left and the right part. It will goes dividing till the remaining item will be 2, and then it will sort the item based upon your requirement, like ascending or descending order. It will first sort the left part and then the right part, and then will merge both of them and then sort it. So this is based upon divide and conquer. So this one is this merge sort is beneficial if you have any data like that is sequential, like linked list. So beneficial for linked list or any tape drive or a hard drive reading. So for sorting this kind of linked list, beneficial for sorting of sequential data. Sequential data, just like linked list or something. So let's see how it works. Let's take one list and try to understand it, how this merge sort work. Okay, so let's take number list. We have one list size something 12, 14, 3, then 22, then 10, 56, 28. Let's take this. Okay, so first it will find the middle point. Okay, so middle is something like near to this 22. So it divides into two parts, the left one and then right one, right? Okay, so left one contains 1 to 14, 3 and 22, and the right one, okay, right contains something like 10, 56 and then 78. Okay, now it will again divide this into two parts. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Okay, go to the end, and then it again divides this this part into two parts from the middle. So it contains something like 12 and 14, right? And then 3 and 22, right? And this one, it also divides into two parts, something like 10 and then 56. This is the one part. The second part is 78, right? Okay, if you divide it, it will become 12 and 14. It becomes 3 and 22. Okay, so if it becomes something like 12 and then 14. Okay, for this one, let's do something like this. Okay, and this becomes something like 3 and 22. Here if you come, it becomes something 10 and then 56. That is already 78. Now it will sort according to your needs and then merge it. So it will sort and become something like 3, 12, 14, 22, right? And it becomes something like 10, 56 and 78. Okay, by doing this, at the last it will merge all this parts, and it becomes something like 10 and then 12 and then 14 and then 22, 56 and 78. So it goes dividing till this ends. Okay, right? And then it will sort this according to your needs, like ascending or descending order, and now the final one it will merge and then order it, right? Let's try to implement this. Let's create one method like defined merge sort. Take one something like my list. Okay, so if length of the my list is greater than 1, then only we are able to understand it. If it is greater than 1, then only we will break it into the left and the right part. Okay, so we calculate the mid len my list 2, right? Take the left part. How will calculate the left part? My list, keep the starting one blank and then goes till mid. We'll take the right part. How we'll do this? My list, go to the mid and then left it. So we will calculate the left and the right part as we discussed here. Okay, Okay, we have to go till the length is greater than 1. So we have to call it recursively. Okay, recursive call. How we do this? Merge sort left and then merge sort right. Okay, now we have to iterate it through each loop for the left part and the right part, and then this one is for the final part. Okay, so let's take I variable for the left part, j for the right, and k for the common one, right? Okay, let's take this iteration to left and right part. Okay, let's say I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, right? Okay, let's run this. So we have to check that while I is length of the left, right, and j will be length of the right. We have to check the condition if left I is less than right j, right. We have to, what we have to do? We have to put something like left, no, my list. We have to put into my list k, right, is equal to left I, right. We have to increase this I, so I plus equal to 1, right. Go to this else part. So else part we say my list k, and then we have to store the right one. So write j. Okay, we have to increase this j1 oh, right, and because we have to increase this k also. By default it will, if we not increase it, it will go to the 0 point and you are not able to add it. So k plus equal to 1. Okay, this now we have iterated through all this part. Now we have to combine this also. Okay, so let's call this while I is less than left length. What we have to do? My list k is equal to left I, right. And then we have to do something like I plus equal to 1, k plus equal to 1. Same we have to do for this, right. So j is less than right my list k. If you are able to understand the logic behind it, implementation is not that much tough. So first try to understand the logic, okay, and then j plus equal to 1. It can be implemented in any way. It's not always necessary that we have to implement this in a recursive. We can do it. Let's take the same list and try to run it. Taken this, let's call this merge sort, the number list. Let's print this sorted list, and then this number list. Let's run this. See this? It's sorting in the correct way, right? So this is the simple way of implementing this merge sort. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.